Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we have a heavy snowfall and there's a huge pile of snow over here. And then if we step on the snow, we're gonna fall down. Oh my gosh guys, there's a huge pile of snow over here. And if it rains, the snow is gonna melt. And yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, there's a bike over here, and there's a huge pile of snow here too, guys. There's a lot of snow over here. Wow, guys, there's a lot of snow everywhere. Everything is covered in snow, and everything turned white. Wow, guys, look at these bushes. There's a huge pile of snow over here. And some people are cleaning the snow. And we have footsteps all over here. There's people walking everywhere. So there is gonna be footsteps and footprints. Okay guys, we have a huge pile of snow over there. And then if we step in the snow turns into this. And yeah, bro, so people step in the snow. And yeah, bro, someone made a huge footprint. There's snow over there, and there's a big footprint, guys. And here we have a footprint too. Okay, guys, look at these snow. There's snow everywhere. And we have snow on the trees. And we have snow on the bushes. Okay guys, so now we have a big pile of snow and there's no snow on the bushes. And then we have snow over here. We can build a snowman, and snow is so much fun to play. And everyone likes to play in snow, guys. And then the snow is covered on cars. The cars turn white, so we will have to clean the snow that is on the car so the car can be clean. And guys, we need to be really careful in the snow. Sometimes people fall down in the snow because they are really slippery. Okay guys, the snow is really slippery, so we have to be careful. We have to be careful where we walk because snow is slippery and we can get hurt if we fall down. Okay guys, look at those bushes. They're fully covered in snow. Okay guys, and now I have a lot of snow. We have snow under cars and we have snow on bushes and stuff. And here we have mud, and the snow is covered on the mud. It's also covered on the grass, and the grass is turned white. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you some cars that is covered on the snow. And over here we have big snow pile. And then over here we have this cart. Okay guys, and over here we have a huge pile of snow and it is getting cleaned, guys. Okay guys, so if people step in the snow, their shoes are gonna turn white and the shoes are gonna be completely white if you step on the snow. And here we have huge piles of snow. Wow. Okay guys, so the snow can be cold, so we will have to wear gloves if we want to touch snow, guys. And here we have a huge big snowball. And over here we have mud and stuff. And then here we have a huge pile of snow. And it snowed a lot today, so there's this huge snowfall. And then there was a lot of snow falling. And yeah, snow is super fun. And yeah, snow is super fun to play with, so everybody likes to play with snow. And we have this tree here, and this tree is stuck in the snow. And over here we have a huge pile of snow. So there's snowballs here, and then someone made a huge pile over here. And then the snow is really cold. So yeah. And then we have snow over here. We have snow on the rooftops, but the rooftops will have to get cleaned. And the rooftops might be slippery because there's snow on it. And then, yeah, it's super cool. And then we have snow on the benches too. And we have leaves on the snow, and we have these bushes. And then this is what the huge snowfall looks like. There's snow everywhere, and it's super fun and exciting to see a huge snowfall, guys. It's super fun. And then we have a huge snow over here, and if we touch the snow, our hands are gonna get cold, and then we'll have to wear gloves so our hands won't get cold. So gloves can protect us from getting cold, and then gloves can also protect us from our hands getting cold. Okay guys, so over here we have another huge pile over here. It's covered on all the bushes. So now all of these snow are gonna get cleaned by people, guys. And then these snow turned yellow. And there is a lot of snow, guys. Okay guys, so we have a huge pile of snow over here, and we have a bike. And the bike is stuck in the snow. And then, so we can't step on the snow because they are slippery and we might fall down and hurt ourselves. So we have a lot of snow over here. Snow covered on the trees, and then there's snow covered everywhere. Okay guys, so if we step in the snow, there's gonna be footprints everywhere. And there's footprints everywhere because someone stepped on the snow, guys. The snow is pretty cool, wow. And then I'm so excited of the huge snowfall, guys. And then also the snow is really cold. And then these bushes have a little bit of snow in them, but the bushes are not fully covered, guys. So yeah. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys have a great day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more fun videos. Bye bye guys, this is the end of the video.